Good morning, students of class 8. Welcome to our English period. Students, today we will start with a new poem, The Plate of Gold. The following poem very well delivers the message of compassion and kindness. One should always have these virtues in him in order to show his love for God. This poem reminds me of an angel-like person named Baba Amte. I and many people looked up at him as a divine figure representing God on earth. He is no more today, but we still remember him with utmost respect. I don't know whether he worshipped God or no. I even don't know whether he was a theist or an atheist. Theist is a person who believes in God. Sorry. And an atheist is a person who does not believe in God. So I don't know whether he was a theist or an atheist, but what I know of him is his work. He dedicated his entire life in serving humanity, nursing leprosy patients. Leprosy is a horrific skin disease. In most critical cases, the patients even lose their fingertips, eyelashes, sometimes nose tips, etc. It is one such deadly disease that shouldn't happen to anybody. There's a lot to say about him and his work. So I would advise you to find more information about Baba Amte on internet. So here is the explanation of the poem, The Plate of Gold by James Hunt. One day there fell in great Banaras's apostrophe, look at the apostrophe, so you will pronounce this word as Banaras's. One day there fell in great Banaras's temple court a wondrous plate of gold, whereon these words were written, to him who loveth best, a gift from heaven. What does this mean? One day a plate of gold fell down from heaven in Banaras's temple court. Banaras is also called as Varanasi or Kashi, and this city is in Uttar Pradesh. It is a spiritual capital of our country, which is on the banks of River Ganga. This city has around 2,000 temples, including Kashi Vishwanath. Kashi Vishwanath, which god is this? This is Lord Shankar, Lord Shiva. So the plate of gold fell down from heaven. God, probably he purposely dropped down this plate of gold to find out who loved him the most. Children, how do you show your love to God? Should it be shown by praying or worshipping him the whole day? Of course, you must remember him once a day, but what is more important is how much you care to help his creation, help the needy ones, how much you console the sad souls, isn't it? Let us take a look at the next stanza. The priests made proclamation. What is a proclamation? It means a herald. At the midday hour, each day, let those assemble who for virtue deem their right to heaven's gift the best, and we will hear the deeds of mercy done and so adjudge. In this particular stanza, we understand that after the plate of gold fell down in the Banaras's temple court, the priest of the temple made a proclamation. That means they made a herald. What was that herald? Means they announced in the public to the people of the city. What was that announcement? that at the midday hour each day, that is everybody, this is to all those who hear this proclamation, that in the afternoon people, those which people can gather at the temple, those who say that they are righteous to own the heaven's gift. What was the heaven's gift? The plate of gold. All those who have done really very good work in their life, okay, can come and assemble in the temple premises, and then they will talk about their mercy, about their deeds. And then listening to their stories, the priests will decide. They will decide whether the plate of gold should be given to him or her. Now let us see what happened later in the next video. Thank you.